Ever wondered how to master the game of poker? Well, that's exactly what we're going to delve into today. It's not about taking a shot in the dark, but rather understanding the game, its rules and strategies. First, let's start with the basics. Poker is a card game, and it's all about combinations and strategies. The game begins with each player receiving a set of cards. The goal? To have the best hand, or at least make others believe you do. Now, understanding the cards is crucial. There are 4 suits: hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. Each suit has 13 ranks, from the 2 or deuce to the 10, and the face cards, jack, queen, king, and ace. The ace can be either high or low, depending on the hand you're aiming for. Next, let's move on to the hand rankings. The highest ranking hand in poker is the royal flush, which is a sequence of 5 cards of the same suit from 10 to ace. The second highest is the straight flush, 5 consecutive cards of the same suit. Then comes 4 of a kind, followed by full house, flush, straight, 3 of a kind, 2 pair, top pair, 1 pair, and high card. Now onto the betting rounds. There are typically 4 rounds of betting: pre-flop, the flop, the turn, and the river. In each round, you have the option to check, bet, raise, or fold to a bet. Now that we've covered the basics of betting, you might be wondering, where can you actually test your poker skills? The world is your oyster. You have the chance to immerse yourself in the electric atmosphere and high stakes of a casino, or wrap yourself in the comfort and convenience of playing online 24/7, should that be more your style. If a more laid-back setting is what you're looking for, why not organize a friendly, no-pressure game at home? Each setting presents its own charm and challenges, and the choice depends entirely on you. So whether you are in the vibrant ambiance of a casino, in the virtual world online, or in the cozy confines of your home, remember, a thrilling poker game is just a shuffle away. And don't forget, every poker game is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and increase your winnings. So go ahead, take a chance, and may the cards be ever in your favor. Remember, poker is not just about the cards you hold, but also about reading your opponents and bluffing. Bluffing is making your opponents believe you have a better hand than you actually do. But beware, bluffing is a double-edged sword. Use it wisely. In summary, mastering poker comes down to understanding the cards, knowing the hand rankings, navigating the betting rounds, and perfecting the art of bluffing. It's a game of strategy, not chance. So take your time, practice, and soon enough, you'll be playing poker like a pro. Remember, the goal isn't just to have the best hand, but also to make others believe you do. So keep your poker face on, and may the odds be ever in your favor. That's all for today. Until next time, keep shuffling, keep dealing, and keep winning. Keep voiceover. One of the largest and most anticipated events in the poker world is the World Series of Poker, commonly known as the WSOP. Held annually in Las Vegas, the WSOP gathers the world's best poker players to compete in a series of tournaments. But it's not just about the main event. The WSOP also holds circuit events across the globe, offering more opportunities for poker enthusiasts to showcase their skills. Participating in the WSOP and its circuit events can be a game changer in a poker player's career. It's not just about the prize money, but also the prestige and experience that come with it. So if you're serious about poker, consider setting your sights on these events. After all, every poker champion started somewhere. Voiceover. If you've enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, we have a small request. Please hit that like button. It helps us understand what content you find useful. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We bring you comprehensive guides, tips, and strategies to help you level up your poker game. Lastly, if you know someone who might find this guide helpful, do share it with them. Remember, every like, subscribe, and share helps us bring more content like this to you. So let's grow our poker community together.